Design is actually a language used to communicate between technology and users. Designing in high dream is a very interesting thing. It can give full play to the imagination and make technological innovations. At the same time, it is also a boring thing. It must be able to withstand time and continue to study in order to realize the continuous improvement of intelligence and accuracy. Our metal detector has nice workmanship, good stability and high accuracy. When it detects the metal in the products, it will reject it automatically to make sure all products on the streamline are safe. All new upgraded software in 7-inch touchscreen with friendly interface and easy operate. We can see the detecting effect through the screen, and the more easier to change the parameter directly. There is a USB port for customers to input or output the parameter set and detecting records. Also, there is an internet port for PC connecting and achieve remote control. There is a unique function added in our metal detector. It can normally detect product whether there is a metal inside. When there is a metal, machine will reject it. We can also choose the reverse detection mode to detect product with dissecant bag or not. When there is no dissecant bag, machine will reject it. This is specially used for ensuring the dissecant bag is put inside of the product or not. Waterproof level is IP65, easy clean and maintain. The innovative frame structure for chek wire which make it work more accurate and stable in operation. Equipped with 10.4-inch touchscreen with network communication port, different kind of languages for option, easy to operate. Powerful calculation function records every weighing data and they can be extracted via USB. Connect external equipment via network communication port which can transfer weighing data online to adjust the weight and print them out. 99 sets of parameter can be stored for option. Different kinds of rejecting ways for different kinds of products. Computer remote control improves working efficiency and staff can maintain the network system more easily. Sanitary design with good welding for the frame minimize flat surface and slots, reducing dust, which make it easier to be cleaned. The forehead linear weigher can store 20 kinds of preset parameters in order to meet various material requirements. The vibration amplitude of each liner pan can be adjusted, which is more convenient to adjust the suitable speed for making product feeding more even. Equipped with 10.4-inch touchscreen with USB for data extraction, as well as there are different kinds of languages for option. 3 weighing mode can be selected for different weighing requirement. All liner pans and weighing buckets can be installed and dismantled easily. Our machine has been rigorously polished and tested, continuously optimized and improved, has achieved a wide range of application with its unique quality as well. It can improve product safety, ensure product quality, meet regulatory requirements, and help producers improve the efficiency of product management. Producing reliable and high-quality products, also realizing convenience and efficiency for clients, is very important for creating greater value. High Dream is consistent in growing with users, developing with the industry, and creating more possibilities for the future.